Once upon a time, this car ruled the road. But time is unforgiving. For more than 30 years, this Toyota Corolla was forgotten. Buried under sand, mud, and silence. Green algae covered its body. Rust slowly ate through the metal. And the tires gave up long ago. To most people, this was nothing more than scrap. A dead machine, a lost cause. But sometimes, what looks finished to the world, is only waiting for a second chance. When the car was finally pulled from the ground, it felt like history was being uncovered. Mud dripped from every panel. Algae washed away with dirty water, and rust told the story of every passing year. The engine was silent, the body was broken. Many said, it's not worth saving. But restoration isn't about logic alone. It's about vision, seeing potential where others see waste. This was not the end of the road. It was the beginning of a comeback. Inside the workshop, the real work began. Sparks flew as rust was cut away. Tools echoed through the garage. Every damaged panel was repaired. Every scar was addressed. This wasn't just fixing a car. It was rebuilding trust between man and machine. Slowly, layer by layer, the Corolla started breathing again. No shortcuts, no compromises, because bringing something back to life means doing it the right way. Now it was time to wash away the past. High-pressure water stripped off decades of dirt. Thick foam covered every inch. Mud disappeared. Algae vanished. Beneath all that damage, clean metal began to shine. This wasn't just a car wash. It was a transformation, a moment where the old identity was erased, and a new one began to emerge. With every drop of water, the car moved closer to its new life. And then, the moment arrived, the same Toyota Corolla, but reborn. Fresh paint, clean lines, a body that looks factory new. It once slept beneath the dirt. Now it stands under showroom lights. This is more than restoration. It's proof that nothing is truly worthless if someone is willing to care. Because age doesn't decide value, effort does. And this car earned its second life.